In this video, I'm going to go over this Rhino USA trailer hitch cover. So what this is, I've got a 2-inch receiver hitch on this F-150 here. Now, normally I run these smart toe hitch receiver covers right here, but let me tell you, this is my third one, everybody. What these end up doing, they end up like eventually working their way out, or you catch them on something and they just fall out on the road. I've actually been driving down the road and I've seen these things laying on the side of the road. Well, what Rhino USA has done, they've made one just like this. Now, this was the paper. I ripped it when I took it out, but look at this. It doesn't fall out. So I can lift this up, put a receiver in there, and it won't affect it or impede it going in right there. And then when not in use, you just stick it in there like that and it just closes up. Now this comes in a wide range of colors. This is my black one right here, but there's also like a blue, a red, and different ones. So if you've got this one right here and you've lost several of these and you're looking for a good solution to that, I recommend getting one of these. Now to put it on, look at right here along the side. There's this rubber kind of piece right here. It's like a little tether almost that goes around. I had to use a pair of wire pliers to get that on. What I did, I put the top on first, and then I had some channel locks, and then I pulled down and it popped on there. So if this thing does get kicked up like that, it won't fly off. It'll just stay like this right here. And then when not in use, you can just put it back in. It looks nice. Looking back, you can see how nice that looks. I'll recommend them, everybody, because I've had this one on here for, I don't know, about a month now, and it's still on here. It's not lost or anything. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Rhino USA, receiver hitch cover. See you on the next video.